How to cut fabric with Cricut. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, to Ready to Make projects, select a fabric project, and click on Make It. Step 2. Or create a project to cut from scratch and click on Make It. Step 3. In the Prepare screen, go to each mat, position the elements, and click on Continue. Step 4. Wait for it to locate your maker and for the presets to load, then click on Browse All Materials. Step 5. In the All Materials window, click on the search bar and type in the material you're going to cut. Step 6. Select your material from the list and click on Done. Step 7. Click Edit Tools next to Load Tools and Materials, then select Rotary Blade and click Apply. Step 8. Now, grab the fabrics you're going to use and cut them if necessary. Step 9. Get heat bond paper and cut it slightly smaller than the pieces of fabric you're going to use. Step 10. Using an easy press or iron, smooth out and preheat the fabric. Step 11. Once the fabric is preheated, place parchment paper down, place the fabric face down on top, then put the heat bond paper. Step 12. Place the parchment paper on top and press it with an easy press or iron for about 2 to 3 seconds. Step 13. Repeat the process for each of the fabrics you're going to use. Step 14. Once the heat bond is attached to all the fabrics, place the fabric onto the mat securely. Step 15. Place the mat on the machine and press the up and down arrow button to load. Step 16. Before you proceed with cutting, switch the blade with the rotary blade if you haven't already done it. Step 17. Then press the C button to cut and wait for it to finish cutting. Step 18. Once done, unload the mat and remove the fabric from the mat. Step 19. Peel the backer off the fabric, trim off excess fabric, and place it on the other fabric to create the design. Step 20. Place the parchment paper on top of it and press with easy press for about 8 seconds. Step 21. Remove the parchment paper, and you're good to go. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932, +44 020 3983 0480.